Hello everyone! Welcome to Gabi's kitchen. Today I went over my in-laws. She's my mother-in-law. Say hi. Okay, I'm harvesting chives from my mother-in-law's backyard. Chive pancake.
Chive pancake.
I decided to make Buchujeon, which means Korean chive pancake. Chive on a pancake? That sounds weird, right? But trust me, it's so delicious. Anyway, let's start cooking. I'm just gonna have to wash the chives. Alright, I washed them off. Then I'm gonna chop them in about 2 inches long. You're gonna slice the onions into strips. And slice the carrots into strips. Right, I got the zucchini. I'm gonna slice them into strips as well. I have 8 shrimps. I'm gonna chop them very finely. So now let's make the batter. So I'm using Korean pancake mix. I have 1 cup of flour, and then 1 egg, one cup milk, and then mix them well. And then add all the vegetables into the batter. The shrimps as well, and then mix them well. Alright, it's ready to cook. I'm gonna get the frying pan. Right, generous amount of the vegetable oil on a pan. Heat it up on a high heat. So when frying pan is heated up, place the vegetables on a frying pan. And flip it over. So I'm gonna transfer them to a plate. So it's ready to eat, but you wanna eat with the sauce. You can just dip it into soy sauce, but if you make the sauce a bit special, then it'll taste better, right? So, half tablespoon of gochugaru, which is Korean hot pepper flake, and a half tablespoon of soy sauce, and half tablespoon of vinegar. And stir them. And if you have a green onion, chop them finely. And then put them into the sauce. Dip it into sauce. I hope you guys really enjoy this recipe. If you have chives growing in your backyard, just cut them and then make Buchujeon, Korean chive pancake. Subscribe to my channel. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!